Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So outside there, ICP is the only coin that is pretty much in a very good condition right now. Hasn't disappointed, even though Bitcoin has been moving down, but we've seen that ICP is the one that has behaved very good. And why not? You know, ICP is my baby, and my babies don't disappoint. But before we get into what we're about to talk today, I think the market is down, and I want to help you out with maybe the next good coin that I think you should be getting for the next bull run. So for this one, I've been saying that I study accumulation. I'm a technical analyst. I read the charts and I tell people what they have to do. So you have accumulation. You had accumulation with Pepe that broke out. This is your ICP as well. We were buying down when ICP was down, and ICP is right over here, which actually broke to the upside. Bonk, Dogecoin. This is SHIB, and then you have this one that I think is the next thing that has an opportunity to actually just push up and break somewhere this year. Get it for free. Come down to Discord, click on it, go to the announcement tab, click my name, and message me the word coin I'm gonna tell you. Okay, ICP at the moment, what I saw is a new range that is getting created, and as a matter of fact, I think that on the daily time frame we might be on the verge of creating a bullish rectangle at the moment. So this move to the upside after breaking the accumulation zone and the sideways movement actually comes, I can actually back up with a chart which looks something like this, and you can see that a breakout, whenever the breakout happens, this is your accumulation, right? You break to the upside and at some point you make a reaccumulation. That means you move sideways. Do you see that? This right over here, I don't know if I can zoom in, but yes, 1 2 zigzag sideways. There is the current time, this zigzag that you probably are looking at right now. So that is a push up in a zigzag, which means that reaccumulation, or I can actually just drop in a text and say that, hey guys, you have to understand that this right over here, whatever happened during the past few days, is a reaccumulation zone. So I'm just going to take a text right there, drop it here, and click on this edit. I don't know how we edit this one, stupid idiot. What? Okay, so reaccumulation. There you go. Right, boom, here's a reaccumulation. Now the thing is, after what happens after reaccumulation, you start to pump back up again, and then in the future you're going to have a correction somewhere down the road. So I think if you do pop above this area, you're looking for a move probably to $44, but the first target is going to be $24, and then $44. I kind of still think ICP is a good caliber coin to hit $80 as well. That's what the title even says. So let's hope we see ICP break above here and starts to continue to go to this technical target all the way to the upside. And that's all for this quick update, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.